Hello, I'm Melody Horton and this is David Horton and this is our kitchen, a little bit of our kitchen.
We came back from a holiday and we wanted to make a video for Horatiu of HDM Kitchens in Taunton because we were so excited with the project and we trusted them with our house and to do the little things that couldn't be particularly planned. And we're just delighted with the outcome, and hopefully this video just shows our reaction as we came home. It's a bit raw, we'd been on holiday, we were a bit scruffy, but hopefully you'll enjoy it.
Thank you very much, HDM Kitchens in Taunton.
And
all
the team.
Yeah, all the team.
So this is Melody and David, and this is a very exciting moment. We've been exploring in the deepest, darkest southwest. Hurry up. What sort of actress are you? And
Come on, I'm excited.
We've heard, whilst we're away, that our old kitchen has gone and moved after 13 years with us. But there's some exciting news to come. As we come in here now, the exciting news is...
What is the exciting news, sweetheart? We haven't got there yet.
No, but the exciting news is that we believe
it was mail.
We've got a new kitchen moved in. Hang on.
Okay. Are you going before me?
Shh, quietly. You don't want to frighten.
Sweetheart.
You don't want to frighten it, sweetheart. Quietly as we go up the stairs.
Sweetheart.
We're now getting really
excited. I want to just look at it.
And...
oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, wow. It's like we've moved house. Amazing. Isn't that beautiful? What a beautiful kitchen. Isn't that lovely? Put the lights on. Oh, look. Wow. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? Hey. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? Hey, look at that.
Mm.
Oh, look. Sweetheart. Oh, isn't that lovely?
Oh, a lovely bottle of wine, thank you very much.
I love the colour. Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful.
Oh, the shelves are great.
Oh, wow.
Well, let the lights. Oh, we go in there. Oh my goodness.
Gorgeous. Look at the colours. I love the way it's all seamlessly done everywhere. It's so beautiful. Does this turn on?
I expect so.
Light. Oh wow. Isn't that beautiful? That looks lovely, doesn't it? That's gorgeous. I love that. It's beautiful. Oh look, it's all the top's been all white to go with the walls.
Yeah.
That's lovely, isn't it? Lovely finish.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting that.
No, it's gorgeous. It's
oh my goodness, shall we open something?
Oh yeah, look, I love it. That doesn't work, sweetheart. Hang on. Oh yeah, there we are. Oh look. Doesn't that look fantastic? Isn't that nice, Molly? Why is it flickering? It's flickered off.
What's flickering?
Could I turn it off?
What's flickering? What are you doing?
I'm just turning on the little lights on.
Go on then.
That's okay. You know what? I have to get used to it. Beautiful. I like dancing. Thank you very much. It's absolutely beautiful. Thank you very much, Lou. Thank you for Horatiu. Ronnie loves it too. And I'm just amazed. The beautiful workmanship. I love the cupboards. I love the glass. I love the way it's all finished so beautifully. I love this top. I think it works absolutely magnificently. And look at the beautiful sink. I haven't got any water though. Oh yes. Oh wow, it's a beautiful sink, isn't it? Isn't that a beautiful sink? Sweetheart.
Oh, lovely. Oh, a lovely sink
Isn't that
at
a
last.
lovely tap? Isn't that gorgeous?
Well, there we are. It's probably enough of us for now.
Anyway,
thank you very much.
Hang on a minute, sweetheart.
Oh, hold on.
That's the rubbish.
Oh.
Isn't that wonderful?
Yeah.
I just want to have a look at what please, sweetheart. Well, that's the cupboard. And look at the entire insides of the cupboards. That's lovely, isn't it? Beautifully finished. Oh, the drawers. Look. Isn't that lovely?
Yeah. What's that little cupboard over there?
There's a cupboard in there to put whatever. And there's the drawers. Beautiful internal wood drawers.
Oh, a dishwasher.
Beautiful dishwasher.
Oh!
Sorry. Look at that. Lovely. And under the sink. So beautifully finished. Well done, Lou. And the plumber. Look at that. So neat and tidy. Oh my goodness, Molly. Isn't it wonderful? Look at it, sweetheart. In these cupboards. Isn't it gorgeous? Hey. Oh, it's absolutely amazing. Look at this. It's gorgeous, isn't it?
We haven't looked at this one.
I know so much. Oh my God, look at it. Look at this, sweetheart. Oh, thank you so much. It's just amazing. Look at it, sweetheart. Oh, wow. Isn't it beautiful? What a beautiful, beautiful kitchen. Isn't it? I mean, honestly, I just love it. Don't you? Hey? It exceeds our expectations. Unbelievable. Isn't it, sweetheart? Don't you think? And now the shelves lovely over there. Don't you think that looks amazing? Oh no, they're dim. The shelf light's dim. Beautiful, isn't it? Isn't the colour gorgeous? Sweetheart, isn't the colour gorgeous? We said we loved the colour, didn't we?
We did.
We did.
It'd be lovely to see it in the morning.
Oh, what? Sorry?
Well, when the sun comes out.
Oh, it's beautiful now.
Yeah.
It's just absolutely spectacular, isn't it? Do you like it, Monet? Do you like it? Doesn't it look gorgeous? Oh, we haven't seen these. Oh, well done. That's fantastic, isn't it? Done a good job there. Oh, look. Oh, bless. It's so wonderful to come home and have it all done, isn't it? I think that's what I think. It's just so wonderful coming home and having it all done. It's all beautiful. It's all beautifully kept. Everything's clean. The work has been so clean. Molly loves it. It's just, I love the colour. I think it's just, we've just come through Exmoor and we've seen the hills of Exmoor. And the hills of Exmoor, this reminds me of the hills of Exmoor, doesn't it?
The red soil.
Yeah, the red soil.
Anyway,
thank you so much. God bless you, and we'll be seeing you very soon.
Bye.
Cheerio.